There's lots of different ways to attach studs to polymer clay earrings, but this is the technique that I found worked best for me. So first, you're going to need posts and backings, and the glue that I use is E6000. And then you're going to need either the bacon bond or liquid clay, and for liquid clay I use a translucent one. I only use a tiny bit of glue just to help the post stay in place, but you don't have to use glue. Just make sure it's placed in the center of the earring. Then I go over it with either the bacon bond or liquid clay. Both of these work the same. I use a small paintbrush to spread it out as evenly as possible, and once you've done that, you just pop it back into the oven at 130 degrees Celsius for another 30 minutes. And they should look something like this. There you go, now you're ready to put your pieces together. It's the worst thing when you get a message from a customer saying their posts have fallen off, and ever since I attached my studs like this, the post feels so much more secure.